On August 23, 2022, police responded to a high school after a mother attacked a teacher for removing her daughter from the band. But things took a surprising turn when the mother flipped the story, accusing the teacher of punching her in the face and claiming he had a gun on school grounds. This is the story that unfolded.
How you doing? Officer Warren, Officer Barnes. You called us about?
I want to write a statement.
About?
Mr. Green, he physically touched me because I ain't touching him and they could run the camera back.
He physically touched you?
He physically touched me.
In regards to what? What do you mean?
Because they're being nitpicking on my daughter for a few years. I'm Jones. I've been telling them about this. This is my child. My child should have come home crying. Y'all just don't understand that. My kids should have come home crying because of this supposed to be a safe place for the kids. It shouldn't be like that. But I kept him, I asked him, is you Mr. Green? He told me I don't have to answer you. Is you Mr. Green? That's all I want to know. God said, if you Mr. Green, you should come to me and talk to me first before you go talk to my child. That's what y'all should do. Y'all don't go off of this. I've been calling them for months. Like, even the school, like, yeah, I have a problem with the other person. Really not Mr. Green. I have a problem with the person that be coming here helping him. Okay. Mr. Gay, whatever his name is. I don't know his name. So I'm over there, and yes, I was in his face talking to him like this. I was in his face. I ain't gonna lie. I was. But there made no reason for you to put your hands on me.
So what happened when you got in his face? I don't understand. What did he do when he put his hand on him? Did he punch you in your stomach?
No, it's right here. It's right there. He punched me in my face. See, this eye is different than this eye. Okay. Right here.
So
he physically hit me in my face. Yes.
He balled up his fist
and hit me.
And hit you.
Yes. And he first he was showing me like he got a gun in his thing. Why a teacher have a gun on the school property?
He showed you he had a gun.
Yes, in that little I don't know if they put it up, but he has a Louis Vuitton little cross bag thing with a gun in it.
Okay. So why were you in his face exactly?
Because of my daughter. My daughter was just there, and he just told her, oh, she can't be on the team because of me. This is my attitude. I don't come to y'all meetings. I don't come to the school. Period. I don't come to meetings or nothing like that. Okay. I only come when it's an issue with my child. Okay. You know what I'm saying? And they were supposed to be in and had a meeting with whoever Mr. Jackson is in. They were supposed to have a meeting with me, him, and Mr. Jackson. Like, what's the issue? But he didn't go to meeting. He went over the meeting and wanted to talk to my daughter until she kicked off because of that.
Okay.
So
you came up here for the meeting?
I came for the meeting with my daughter. I came to pick up my daughter. She just left. One of them took her home. Because she didn't want to be in the car with me, but she said it was embarrassing because me and him got into it. So she left with one of the people in here, Miss Dana. Miss Dana, she took her home. Yeah.
Okay. So what was your reason then for coming here?
Come pick up my child.
Okay.
But I seen him, and I was like, "Is you Mr. Green?" And he talking about he wasn't in there yet. He was outside by his car. I say, "Is you Mr. Green?" Yeah. And he's like, "That's the same thing." I say, "So you're not gonna talk to me? You're not gonna talk to me before you talk to my child?" That's what I was telling him. No, I said, you dad, you supposed to come to me first. About what? My child. She's in the band.
In regards to what?
With the situation with Mr. Galen, how he embarrassed her. The whole situation, it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. Okay. I don't want to explain it, but it's a whole lot. Yeah, it's issue with, he embarrassed her because she didn't get her shoes yet. But you don't know, people have issues. You don't know
something with the band.
Yes.
Okay. But it didn't have to do with Mr. Green per se. It had to do with
the first time was
assistant.
Yes, it was. But then he only going from what his assistant is. But if you are the director of the band, I'm asking for a meeting. Why won't you come to me for a meeting? Okay. I'm asking you to speak about my daughter issues against your help, your person you help, but you don't want to listen to nobody else but the guy that helped you. No, that's not fair. This ain't when you got my kids, you should be talking to me.
Did you at any point come at Mr. Green in a threatening manner?
When?
Today.
When he talking about he got something in his thing, I said, I don't
know. I'm asking.
The only time I got into what I said, when he told me, oh, you better back up if I said, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You got a gun on the property? So I walk up on him. Yes, I did. So you got a gun on the property, shoot it. I dare you to shoot it.
But what happened?
When the lady come between us, the lady over there, he swung over her and hit me. And the kids holding my hands back because they're like, no, just go ahead, Mom, just go ahead.
Okay. And at that point, what happened? Did you do anything? You went back to the car or what? They broke it up?
I rolled back because the principal was over there. So I was talking to the principal over there. That's when I rolled back to the car. I'm talking to the principal out there. And then they came over here because my daughter was still in here. My child was still in here, and I told the principal, that's dead ass wrong. Why y'all never called me? My situation. I've been trying to talk to you for the longest. Since the first day of school, I came and tried to talk to the principal. I said, you haven't come back yet. This situation wouldn't be going on if y'all just call and talk and have meetings like you're supposed to.
At any point in time, did you retaliate toward Mr. Green?
I was trying to. I was trying to get him because yes, I was gonna tear his ass up. But the kids told me. I was trying to. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Alright, what's your name?
My name is Karen.
Alright. Do you have your ID on this?
Yeah, but I know my driver's license by heart.
Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna get you a statement.
Y'all wanna take a picture? Because even the lady in here, she said she seen me.
You gonna stand by while she grabs that statement? Alright.
Because even the lady in here, she told me to get her up. She said, take pictures of my face, not me.
She can either write it in there. Or
I can write it right here on the wall.
No, I'll take it.
Yeah. No, it's a table. And I'll be back.
I had a parent who called my flag instructor, called him, cussing him out, telling him she was gonna come up here, whoop his behind, whoop his A, all this other stuff, F him up, and all this other stuff, whatever. This is not the first time we've had a run-in with her or whatever. He had that.
Okay.
And so she been texting him all this other stuff. Came up to the school yesterday looking for him.
Really?
Yeah. You know, came up looking for him to fight him and all this other stuff, whatever. All because her daughter not going to be able to go to Texas.
Okay. Okay.
Then, so because we've been having a whole issue with her mom the whole time, I'm just like, you know what? You just need to, you don't need to be in the bed no more. As long as we got you in the program, we're going to have to be dealing with your mom.
Right.
And I don't want nothing to pop off up here, you know, crazy or whatever. So I told her after school, I said, yo, out of all the stuff that's happened, your services are no longer required in our band program. You can go home. So I'm going to my car to get my clothes out of my car to change. Yeah. And so I see this car pull in, all irate and everything and stuff or whatever. So I'm about to get in my trunk. Hey, who you? Who you? I'm still getting my stuff out. I ain't answered up. I'm talking to you. Yeah. Ain't you him? Ain't you Mr. Green? I said, I ain't got to answer you. Yeah. So like, just randomly, you know, say, yeah, you him. I'm like, hey. Yeah. I said, yeah, I am Mr. Green. Yeah. I said, I got something to talk. I said, no, you don't have nothing to talk to me about. Right. I said, go to the front office. They can talk to you. They can help you, whatever. No. And then she come get in my face. So I'm walking towards the gate right here. And so she get in between me and the gate. I'm like, yo, back up. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? First of all, it's not my thing to be hitting no lady. I don't do that. Yeah. That's not what I do. I'm like, yo, go on somewhere. Just go to the front office. They'll talk to you. They'll handle it, whatever. No, you should have did this. You should have been there. I'm going to Lakeside today. Yeah, where he at? The little sissy and all this other stuff, whatever. Yeah, I'm going to mess him up too. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, I said, Mr. Galen is not here. Yes, he is here. I said, he is not here. You know, go on about your business. So now I'm closer to the gate now, right? Yeah. And so we got a couple of kids that just walked up at the same time that this is popping off. Yeah. And so they trying to get in the gate. They're waiting for me to let them into the gate. I'm like, ma'am, go on about your business, everything. Yeah. So I didn't want to let her into the gate. So I back up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully she'll like go away or whatever. So I'm backing up like, yo, and she, every time I back up, she gets closer to me and closer to me. I'm like, ma'am, you don't want to do this. Stop. Back up. You know what I'm saying? And so we get the gate open or whatever the case may be. I think another kid from inside opened up to let the kids they knew in. So I'm like, okay, well, I can go about my business. So now the two kids come in. She get in front of the gate like this. And I'm like, ma'am, like, move out the way. Go about your business. I said, your daughter's not in my band. She's not going to be in my band. Yeah. And then she goes off even more. Yeah. You know, and I'm like, no, like she's not. I said, okay, let's just go on around then to the front office then. Right. Yeah, come on, let's go to the front office. All right. Then she starts saying some other crazy stuff. Then I just said, you know what? I'm done. Yeah. I'm just giving you the courtesy
Yeah.
to go and do that. I ain't got to do that with you. I said, I'm done. I started going towards my office. You know, I said, where you going? Where you going? Trying to block me the whole time. Trying to block me, getting in my way. I'm like, yo, like, lady, back up. Back up off me, right? So I'm like, okay, get up off me, you know.
What's the 1014 on 85?
Front of the school, Bravo Foxtrot, gray shorts, wrong, blackface. Hurricane band director.
Oh, yeah. Temple, that's what we're on now. You can link them. Is she trying to meet?
Yeah, she is trying to meet in front of the school, and then her name's Karen.
Temple. Alright. Continue.
So I'm in the gate now. I'm trying to move. I said, I'm done. I'm trying to go to my room now. I ain't got to hear nothing you got to say now. Yeah. Then she says, I'm going to your office. I'm going to your office. I'm like, lady, go on about your business. So now all the kids that was inside the gate is seeing what's going on now. And I'm like, please, I'm telling you. So now she, like, you know what I'm saying? She gonna buck up like she about to do something, like she about to swing. I'm like, no, I've done everything, but you know what I'm saying, come at you that I could possibly do. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And so now we're gonna walk further down, and she's still in my face. I'm still trying to walk. She's still in my face. I'm still trying to walk. Now my wife get in between us. My wife come out the room, and she's like, every time the lady try to come up towards me, she gotta push the lady back. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, she does something to where she's like trying to swing at me or something like that. And I'm like, no, like get up off me or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Then she spits on me. No. And she did it twice.
Really? Okay.
Dude.
One per charge?
And then, say again?
One per charge?
For sure.
Okay.
For sure.
All right.
For sure.
And then what happened?
And after that, then all the kids come out. And now the kids are grabbing me to not go on her, to get on her and everything and stuff. So they keep us apart, keep me off of her.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I'm like, I'm done now. I'm at my max now. You know what I'm saying? And so they just separate us, whatever the case may be. And I guess she goes to her car or whatever, while everybody else is pulling me away.
Okay. All right. And what she look like?
Dark skinned lady, heavy set, big chest. She had like a tank top on, gray and black or something like that, or whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
Dark skinned lady.
Okay.
You about to take off?
Say again?
You about to take off?
What's going on?
When
what you want?
who?
Come on.
Oh, she's talking to us now. I don't even care what she want to talk about with y'all, but she might be going to 33rd. What? Anybody able to review the video?
Yeah, we got it right there. We can pull it up. Come on, man.
Yeah. And you want to trespass too, right?
Yeah, most definitely.
Okay. That's easy.
Oh, look, it'll be able to come on. It's on my left. It's on my desktop. Well, I recorded on my phone, so we can see.
Okay. Anybody see the altercation?
Miss Mills,
Foxtrot 4797.
Miss Green.
Yeah, I talked to Miss Green.
What Miss Green said?
She said pretty much the same thing. I guess she came on the back end of it or whatever.
I know she spit on him, so I don't know when she do that. It's like he tried to block. It's coming. See? So,
Oh yeah.
what was that?
Yeah, she attacked me. Okay.
Sure, you got the other camera from the very beginning?
No, I didn't get that one.
Oh, she came up to him
The whole time was
while
aggressive.
he was walking to the band room. She literally got in front of him, was blocking him.
Yeah.
Every time he kept stepping back because she kept coming at him.
Yeah.
He kept stepping back. He tried to go around her. She went and blocked him. The kids opened the door to the gate. She went and stood in the door with her hands up so he could not get through.
Man. Okay. All right. Well,
But she was clearly aggressive.
Yeah, she
Oh
was-
yeah, no, definitely, no, definitely. She ain't really had no business up here, to be honest with you. And Mr. Green and Miss Green made it seem like it wasn't even that big of a deal, but she straight up just attacked him. Okay.
I'm going to jail.
Yes, ma'am.
Who I'm going to jail for? Can I call somebody?
We'll give you a chance to go. I hear you.
Okay, well, can I please? I know, but can I?
Okay, let us.
I didn't touch nobody.
Let us do this first. Okay. And we'll talk about what you can and can't do before we get there, okay?
Sir, I didn't touch nobody.
Okay, all right.
Look at the camera good.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, I looked at the camera.
Yeah, but I didn't hit him. I tried to spit back on him after he hit me.
That's not what I seen on the camera.
I swear to God, I did not hit that man. I did not even get the chance to touch him. He hit me first.
Okay, what the camera's showing a whole lot different.
So the camera didn't show that he hit me? The camera didn't show that man hit me? I swear to God, sir, it was right in front of the back building over there.
I know.
I did not hit that man hit me. I swear to God, he hit my face.
I see your face, but what I'm saying is that happened as y'all was scuffling over there by that building.
Yeah, but please can I call somebody to get my car?
Okay.
What facility is that?
Yeah. This your car key?
Yes, and that's my
I'm gonna put your umbrella in your car.
Please, can I have somebody right across the street to come get my car?
Yeah, we're gonna call somebody. We're gonna do all that.
Sir, how the world I'm going to jail? He ain't not going to jail. Embarrassed for my daughter. Please, please.
She's not even here.
No. Just drive it over here.
She's not here.
Yeah, she's not here, but she says embarrassing because the people.
Right now, you want to drive your car over here?
Please bring your car over
You
here.
want to bring your car over here?
Please. Well, can you call my daughter?
Your youngest at?
My youngest,
At home?
not yet. What time it is? Not yet. She's still at the school.
It's ringing from my oldest baby girl now.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Fed, I'm going to jail. The police right here. That's why I'm letting you know.
They where?
The police is right here with me. I did not touch him, but they said the camera said I touched him, but I did not touch that man. But
At the school?
yes, that's why I wanted you to stay
Why you
here.
at the school?
Because if not I left, they would have came and got me anyway saying this.
That's so embarrassing.
Okay.
Just have a seat first, okay?
Yeah, but can you call that other guy, please?
We will. He's going to call back and we'll talk to him. I'm going to pull up.
The woman was charged with battery on a school employee.